Hello everyone, today I am going to update Google Pixel 9 Pro XL to the latest software version Android 15. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. In Settings, scroll down and tap System. Then tap Software Update. Make your Pixel even better. Here you will see System Update and App Updates. Tap System Update. System Update available. Hello Android 15. Your device made to work for you. Your device will update to Android 15. Android 15 update size 2.80 GB. Tap Download and Install button on bottom right. This will start installing system update, downloading and installing update. After 20 minutes, still downloading and installing updates. And after 30 to 35 minutes, you will see optimizing your device. This may take a while. When download and install complete, tap reboot button on bottom right. This will restart your Pixel phone, and after restart, open Settings app, go for software update, and you will see your system is up to date. Android version 15. So these are the steps to download and install Android 15 on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.